Assalamu alaikum. Today we will discuss the histology of the stomach, especially its fundus and the body part. The fundus and the body of the stomach has similar features, while the cardiac and the pylorus region has the similar features. So today we will discuss just the fundus and the body. Like other GIT structures or organs, it also has four basic layers: mucosa, submucosa, muscularis externa, and serosa. We will discuss them one by one. Firstly, the mucosa. Mucosa, as you know, that consists of simple columnar epithelium in case of the stomach, but there are a lot of cells which are present here. First are the surface mucous cells which are present superficially here. Then we have the mucous neck cells which will be present almost at this level. Then we have the parietal cells. Parietal cells, or you can say the oxyntic cells which secrete the HCl, these are spherical or rounded with the central nucleus. Then we have the chief cells which have the basophilic stain. Then neuroendocrine cells which are dispersed in whole GIT tract. So these are some cells of the glands of the mucosa. Then we have the gastric pits. This is the gastric pit which is the characteristic of the stomach. And in case of the fundus and the body, these gastric pits are shallow. And you will find a lot of glands, and the components of the parts of the glands are: this one is the isthmus, neck, and this is the base. These are the parts of the glands of the stomach. Then underlying this mucosa, you also find the lamina propria. These are the lymphatic nodules, and these are the glands with the cells. Then we have the muscularis mucosae, which is a one or two layer, and here you will find the muscular layer in a circular and the outer longitudinal layer. Second is the submucosa, in which you have the connective tissue layer with the blood vessels and a group of adipose tissues. Third layer is the muscularis externa. Here you will find out three muscle layers: inner oblique, middle circular, and outer longitudinal layer. This one is the difference with the other GIT tract structures, because here you will find three muscle layers. And the last layer is the serosa, which is consist of connective tissue with blood vessels, adipose tissues, fibroblast, and it is covered by a single simple squamous epithelium which is known as the mesothelium. This one is the mesothelium. So this is covered by the mesothelium, and this is known as the serosa. If we draw the fundus in the body, then we will draw a lot of parietal cells and the chief cells in the fundus and the body. But when you will draw the cardiac and the pyloric end, then the gastric pits, which are shallow here, they will be deep in that structure, while the parietal cells will be absent almost in that part. So these are few differences, but these three muscle layers and serosa will be the same. You will draw this structure will be the same. Just you will draw different cells here in the cardiac and the pylorus region, because more mucous cells are present there. This was all about the stomach. Thank you.